NASA is tracking wildfires globally, offering a view from high above Earth that reveals the scope and size of major fires, some of which produce smoke plumes that stretch for miles. Using satellite imagery systems, researchers can illustrate a fire's location, and provide more information about fire behavior. In the images below, for example, red outlines with smoke indicate areas of active fire. Many of the images are produced using the Moderate Resolution Imaging Spectroradiometer Rapid Response System, MODIS, which provides daily satellite images in near real time. Firefighting agencies can use the images to track fires. MODIS also can tell the difference between flames and smoldering burns, giving researchers a better idea of how much particulate matter, which can affect air quality, is released by fires. The images below are just some of those collected by NASA's satellites, which detect wildfires in addition to prescribed fires set to clear dry brush and other fuels from an area, helping firefighters with containment efforts when a wildfire does break out. Note, this gallery will be updated as more images become available. This image from NASA's Aqua satellite shows more than a dozen fires burning in Northern California October 9, 2017. The fires were fanned by 60-mile-per-hour winds in California's wine country. This image shows one of Los Angeles' largest wildfires, the September 2017 La Tuna fire in the foothills north of Los Angeles. In this image from the Advanced Spaceborne Thermal Emission and Reflection Radiometer (ASTER) instrument on NASA's Terra satellite, vegetation is depicted in red, such as the golf courses visible in the hills above Burbank. Burned area is in dark gray. The image was acquired October 7, 2017. Fires appear to light up along the Pacific Crest National Scenic Trail, which aligns with the highest parts of the Sierra Nevada and Cascade Mountain ranges. The trail runs through California, Oregon, and Washington. NASA's SWOMI MPP satellite imaging system spotted hundreds of fires in southern Africa. You can see them outlined in red. It's likely about half of the fires were deliberately set as part of a slash and burn land management plan. The fires can help improve crops and pastures, but hurt air quality. This is what happens when smoke from large wildfires gets caught up in the jet stream. NASA's SWOMI MPP satellite captured this image of smoke from West Coast fires drifting thousands of miles across the United States. If smoke remains in the jet stream, air quality impacts are minimal, but the particles can create unhealthy conditions if they descend. A red or orange sunset is a sign that smoke might be in the atmosphere. The smoke particles allow longer wavelength colors, such as red or orange, to pass through, but block shorter wavelengths like yellow, blue and green. This image from the SWOMI MPP satellite offers a look at just how much of the Northwest is affected by smoke from wildfires in Washington, Oregon, Northern California, Idaho and other states in the region. The smoke is carrying soot and other fine particles that pose health problems. This September 1, 2017 image from NASA's Aqua satellite shows 7 Pacific Northwest fire complexes, fires that are made up of several fires that form together. The Checo Bar fire began in July after a lightning strike along the Rogue River Siskiyou National Forest. It has grown to more than 131,000 acres. The High Cascades complex began August 13 due to a lightning strike, and burned more than 26,000 acres in Rogue River Siskiyou and Crater Lake National Park. The Millie fire began 2 days earlier, and burned more than 22,000 acres, forcing evacuations. 4 large fire complexes are labeled in California. Note, not all wildfires depicted in this image are labeled. This image shows smoke from wildfire across several Canadian provinces. The smoke is lifted by the jet stream, spreading across British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. The natural color image if from the Aqua satellite's moderate resolution imaging spectroradiometer, or just MODIS. Dozens of wildfires can be seen in this Terra satellite image, taken on August 27, 2017. The Moderate Resolution Imaging Spectroradiometer, MODIS, on NASA's Terra satellite, captured this image of wildfires in Oregon. The largest in this image is the Checo Bar Fire, which burned more than 100,000 acres after it was ignited by a lightning strike in mid-July. Most of Greenland is covered in ice, but the outer regions closer to the sea are not. You can see smoke from a wildfire burning in this image from NASA's Aqua satellite. A shift in wind direction pushed smoke from fires in British Columbia toward the coast, as shown in this August 1, 2017 image. This image shows the Detweiler fire burning July 20, 2017 in Northern California near Mariposa. This thermal infrared sensor, TIRS, image from the Landsat 8 satellite, shows the amount of heat, or thermal energy, radiating from the Detweiler fire in Northern California. The cooler areas are in dark, warmer areas are bright. The fire can be seen in the lower left of the image. This July 10, 2017 image from NASA's Aqua satellite shows plumes of smoke from the Drew, Roosters Cone and Antelope fires in the western United States. The large red spot in the middle of the image represents Nevada's Roosters Cone fire. The Drew fire in Nevada is seen in the bottom left. The smoke at the top of the image is from the Antelope fire in Idaho. NASA's Terra satellite captured smoke from the Alamo fire July 9, 2017. At the time, the fire in Santa Barbara County was the largest fire burning in California during a summer of high fire danger. NASA's Aqua satellite captured this image of Nevada's Earthstone and Truckee fires burning July 4, 2017 in Nevada. Smoke streams across Canada's Yukon and North US Territory on July 9, 2017. A smoke plume from a wildfire drifts over the sea south of Turkey. The image over the Taurus Mountains was captured July 3, 2017. A smoke plume from a wildfire drifts over the sea south of Turkey. The image over the Taurus Mountains was captured July 3, 2017. A large forest fire burns June 19, 2017 in Portugal. This image shows agricultural fires dotting much of the southern Asian landscape on April 12, 2017. The Suomi MPP satellite detected hundreds of fires burning in Western and Central Africa February 6, 2017. This image shows fires, many of which are likely prescribed, burning in the Central Valley region of California in November 2016. Part of Central Africa appears covered in fire in this June 27, 2017 image from NASA's Suoemi NPP satellite. The Brian Head Fire started June 17, 2017 in Utah. The Aqua satellite captured this image of the fire when it was at more than 42,800 acres. The Pioneer Fire in Idaho was at 180,000 acres, when this image was taken September 1, 2016. The Gap Fire in Northern California burned nearly 40,000 acres by the time it was fully contained in September 2016. At the time of this August 31, 2016 image, the fire was only 1,120 acres, but generating a large smoke plume due to heavy fuels and strong winds. This image shows wild and prescribed fires burning in the southeastern United States in February 2017. Prescribed fires are set deliberately by wildland fire management agencies to remove underlying brush and dead grass, giving firefighters some help in fire containment. The Sand and Soberrains fires started on July 22, 2016. A lightning strike started the fire on July 8, 2016 in Colorado. The Doghead Fire started on June 14, 2016 in New Mexico. The Lava Mountain Fire, Upper Right, in Wyoming was caused by a lightning strike on July 11, 2016. Just a few miles